The marching of the army was very loud, and the enemy could hear it without a doubt. All of the little evil boot camps did not bother with this gigantic army. As the king's army approached, they retreated back to the main body of the tyrant's forces. What the men mostly feared was what they saw in the fiery, dark sky. In one gray cloud, two sinister, evil eyes watched the army march. Under the eyes were two scary nostrils that emitted black vapor. A wicked, evil grin went well with the nerve-wracking, scary face. Not one drop of rain was felt, but thunder boomed and lightning crackled. Quite a bit of thunder came from the cloud with what seemed to be Gorgon's face on it. Some of the men swore that it sounded like evil laughter from above. The army stopped 300 feet from the big fortress. Bear was in one of the middle lines, all the way in the back of one column, terrified. The castle was surrounded by an enormous moat of lava, with lava eels swimming in the molten brew. The colossal drawbridge was down, and those who were close enough to see inside observed that the interior of the castle was divided into 5 towers. 4 towers and a stone wall formed a square around the large, heavily built center tower. Old green vines choked the walls. Little black spiders strung webs around the stone that comprised these high towers. It was a living nightmare. Hordes of vampire bats hung upside down from the putrid vines and looked down upon the King Fairy's army with bloodlust in their eyes. The King Fairy coughed to clear his throat. He said loudly in his old wise voice, "We have come here for a reason. We want the red ruby back now. If you do not give it back, we will siege your walls, Goglin. Surrender it or you will be destroyed."